Well, now I'm going to do some little test about the different shoulder door handles that we're using. Now this is the cheapest version, which we do not recommend to our customers, and maybe it's some company, some of the competitors, some of our competitors are using, but we do not recommend this to our customer. And this is medium quality, and this is for the higher quality, or the probably the highest quality we are now using. And this is also the highest quality, but in different shape. The section is gonna be. We have the edges over here, so it's not round. It's not oval shaped. It feels different. It may be much stronger, maybe. All right, let's see how it's gonna be. Let's test this a little bit. Now the cheapest version. Oh, excuse me. We have a dash can here. A trash can over here. Trash can. We put it on the same height and we let it down. Let it drop. Okay. Or maybe it's a little bit too high, so it will scratch the surface of the aluminum of these handles. Maybe I'll just grab a bottle of water. Here we dropped the handles from this height, and we hear how it sounds. This height. Now this is the cheapest version. Now the same height, the medium quality one, same height, the medium quality, and the highest quality, same height, correct. And watch this. Now you see the difference. Now the biggest one, it's 40 centimeters long. It's gonna be it will be a bigger noise because it's much bigger and it's much longer. Anyhow, same height. We drop this. See? Now you see the difference.